Are you guys trick or treating me? Something smells so bad that you can't get close enough to see. I guess all of you know this.
No.
So I must be wasting my time.
No,
Actually, you don't.
Let him set it up then.
I mean, when it's up enough.
Hey,
Go in there, Trent.
He's scarred. This one ain't nothing else over here.
One shot.
What are you doing? You gotta push it over. Push it in.
Push all in. Now pull it out. That's why I didn't slide the leg up.
I gotta loosen them up.
Anything up in there? Slide. Pull it forward. Now, we a little bit need to move forward a little bit, right? You checked up underneath there? Nothing's underneath there that can hurt it?
No.
All right, let's slide her forward. Right there. Open this clamp as much as you can. Somebody asked Mr. Frank if there's any way we could get an impact. No, forget it. I'll find my impact. Yeah, Frank's doing something. All right, that's good. That should go down on top of that. Get it lined up. Pull all the way out. That thing's crooked right there. Should be right there. Pull it out. There need to be 3 up. We have to have the same height on all 4 of the clamps. If you don't, you're going to think you have damage when you don't.
Then that would be 3 holes?
No, don't have to be 3 holes. It can be more if the car is taller. If you got it up on the big rims or something.
Why is that one?
Oh, in there a little bit. Make sure there's nothing in there. Make sure there's nothing up in there that can smash. Go forward just a hair. Alright, let's go down slow. See if it lands inside there. Alright, watch your fingers.
No, it's not in there.
It's not in right there. No big deal. Go up, move it where it needs to be. Where does it need to be?
Go up a little bit.
What's up?
Mine is.
Watch your fingers. Yours ain't in somewhere. Yours is hitting somewhere.
Mine?
Yeah. Somewhere you're hitting.
It's gonna be right there.
Here's a cockeyed in there somewhere. Like that. Now watch your fingers.
Is mine going right there? Is that okay right there?
Yeah, it was. You're not hitting it somewhere. What do you got going on up here?
I'm about to loosen it up.
Is there something in there hitting?
I don't think it is. Yeah, look at this right here.
What?
You got. Look at this.
That'll be alright. Well, it'll smash. It's going down on top of it. It'll smash. Watch your fingers. There, it went down all the way on, right? See how it went all the way down to here? Now, yep, now what we need to do, to get this jack off here, we need to get a 13 quarter inch socket.
So why did we put the wood there?
Somebody go, why don't we put the wood to distribute the weight? on the rocker panel, so not one point puts in the material. Somebody get me an air fitting for this and a 19mm socket gun. Go in the bottom drawer in the cabinet and the desk in there, bottom right hand drawer, and get a 3/4 or 19mm half-inch dry socket. Hurry! Somebody give me a fitting for this.
So why does it have to be at the edge?
Why does it have to what? Be at the edge because that's when you know when it's locked in back here. There's a clamp that's like this on the back. You have to slide it forward so it's all the way in there. That's what keeps it from raising up. Go!
Put the camera on that nigga. That's against the nigga.
Now these things come in here and bolt right there. See how they got a lip on them? Goes underneath here and bolts up right there. Alright, and that's going to keep this thing from raising up. These keep it from moving side to side. Right, D'Angelo? What did you say? D'Angelo, what did you say? Exactly. These keep it from moving side to side. When we're pulling, if we're doing a side pull, this is what these bolts are what keeps it from moving side to side. These bolts here and the hooks back there keep it from tilting forward or backward. And this obviously keeps it from moving up and down. So you got anchoring in all four corners. All right, when you tighten these, if I ever get the socket,
Oh, I'm recording it.
Shit.
It's simple.
You motherfucker, it's simple.
Yeah, thank you.
What else? What you doing, too? Hard to see here like that.
Just stop on that nigga shit. He gonna be mad at hell.
Part 2, that's what it's called. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. All the part 3.
When I hate part 1, part 2, part 3, I just
Part
want part 1. I just want part 1.
Part 2, Part 3.
Might even make a movie though. No matter
Let's go and keep on with it.
Hit back page and all. You know more CPI.
I was in there, my bad. Thank you.
Turn the air compressor on. Let's go.
What's the name for that?
I heard, watch out.
This is a 1/2-inch impact.
Yeah, now I'm big connected to
It's
the
only
motor.
used for the...
No, it's used for taking tires off, taking body parts off. It's just they use it all over the place.
Oh, okay. That's expected to be.
Alright, when you tighten these up, pay attention guys. When you tighten these up, don't just tighten one up. Watch how I do this. I'll snug this one up. Hey man, why you in the way? I'm going to snug this one up, just like you're tightening up a tire.
What is that right there?
This is a 1/2-inch impact. That's the rubber plug.
That's one there. I got that. The other one still not enough.
Oh, did it really?
Yeah.
We'll have to get another one.
Hey, get the.
Because I'm getting ready to put 4,000 pounds pulling forward, and I'll be sitting in front of it, and I don't want to hit it. Get another one or what? Alright, we'll have to get some new nuts and bolts from parts. Go ahead and snug that one out. A little bit at a time.
Yeah, so rather than Leo. What are you doing?
It's still in the rack. If you tighten it too much on one side first, you can put it in at an angle and you can literally break that clamp. Alright, let's go back there and tighten up the back one. Oh, that's no matter how either way it goes, bitch. And then the other side, do the same thing, guys.
Hey, we'll kiss with him.
Alright, good.
It ain't going no more.
Yeah, I don't like to go there.
If you can
I ain't been on work days for a long time. It took me after a month.
What?
I've been here for the last month.
Romeo, do you have a shirt up?
I was only up there for a month. That's it. Dave didn't give me an answer. Jim couldn't give me an answer. I ain't sent me an answer. The only answer they gave me was I've been out too long.
Everything going here.
That's the only answer they gave me is I've been out too long. They didn't give me an answer. I don't know how I was out way too long. It was, I don't work there. I was out on work days before the break. I didn't get off till like that 20. And then when we got back, I went back the second week we was here off the break. For a whole, I was supposed to get off Friday, this Friday. Way earlier than that. Like, Boy, in my spot.
We got your phone. Alright, hey, that's right, the ones that go down. These ones right here.
We gotta do
Tighten
that.
these ones up after them. Okay.
Alright.
All four stand.
Reverse that hoe like you did though.
Yeah.
You don't know what you're doing.
This one ain't on. I know.
Watch that.
Move it away from here. Move it like over there. You don't know how to do all that. We whipping.
I ain't gonna do with that. That shit tight.
Hey, hold on. I think it says you tighten these ones down too.
Yeah, I got it.
What time is that? Should be 19. Why use that? You can use it. Oh, okay, this is.
Feet up under them.
You can use the air one there, right? The air ratchet. Hold on, why is it even here? Oh. That ain't like a blue.
Alright. Look in the bottom of the toolbox and just give me the...
Alright, Jeff, you got it right there.
Socket is right there. You just
Yo, why you?
Alright, guys. While they tighten him up, what we have to do is everybody get up here and get close. Pay attention. Alright? This part was hit right here.
Hey, shuffle.
And when it was hitting the front, it managed to push the upper radiator back.
The other side. Hit the other side.
And it comes up right here. That is why when we close the hood, the front fender, the hood gap is wide in the front, but the narrow in the back. Alright, when we pull this out and pull a hump right there, that's what we're going to watch. That's going to come off. We're going to have to put a clamp right here, but we obviously got all this plastic stuff in the way. So we're going to have to take this off. Alright? Alright, this is your upper mounting point for your buffer. Pay attention to what you're taking off, because you are going to have to put it back on. Alright, we got to be careful because this is where the radiator mounts. The radiator housing is plastic. So if we pull the wrong thing, we can damage the radiator. Alright, you got one more, we'll take this piece off and get it out of the way. He don't only need you to push. It's not like he wants to do anything. Why is the lock? Someone tell you to unlock it. Put it open. Alright, let's take this out and get that out of the way. Alright, get that out of the way. Alright, can everybody see? Now that we took that off, see where it's bent right there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's take this hood latch off. Alright, this is the hood latch. When that comes down, that's going to strike onto that and lock it. Alright, this is the cable. When you pull the hood release on the inside, that's what operates it.
Still getting money.
Romeo. And it went on the ground. Someone pick it up from the ground. What do you need? I want you to be quiet. Now, guys, what I'm noticing is I'm going to have to get down here to pull. Alright? Potentially, this radiator condenser may be in my way. I might have to take this radiator condenser off. We're going to see if we can do this without doing that, because I prefer not to take it off. But we might have to take it off. And every time, there's no way an insurance adjuster could have seen that, could he? Because he couldn't even take that piece off. He looked at it from the top. And he probably never worked on stuff before in his life, and he doesn't know. Alright, let's go ahead and that's just snaps in there. If we can get it up now. It's coming up. Take it on out of the shelf. Hold on, let me get this out of the way. We want to take off this radiator mount. Alright, we want to get it out of our way so it can't hurt. Look, that's just plastic. If we tried to pull with that on there, we would potentially break. That right there. Let's go ahead and take off our other one. No, be careful. Set that down there with that. Let's go ahead and take this radiator. That's all, look at that. That's all that holds that radiator in there. It's that little bitty piece of plastic. Alright, if you try to pull on this thing and you damage that, we got to put a whole new radiator in. Bend that, yeah. What? If I knew where the air ratchet was, I wouldn't say find it. I would say that, hey, the air ratchet is over there. Alright, take this. You might need a box or something. Now, I want to get a clamp in right here. So what I'm going to do is hand me that clamp on the bottom row with that funny looking thing on it. That right there. I'm not throwing that right there. I need somebody to go get a 15/16 socket for a half-inch drive deep well. Alright, this is called a three-way. Alright, this is called a three-way. This clamp right here can pull in three directions. You can pull out, you can pull out here, or you can pull out here. Alright, it's called a three-way. Because you can hook it up here, here, or here. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to put this thing in there on this lip. It's almost identical to the pinch wheel. We're going to try to get this in here, move this all the way up.
Then we're going to have to take the radiator out.
This is about, maybe, we might have to take the radiator out. That is exactly true. It is potentially that we have to do that. But what we might be able to do is take it loose from the mounts and just drop it down a little bit. Because we really don't want to take the radiator out. I think we'll be alright if we just take the fan out. So,
Hey, recording.
alright, somebody get me a flathead screwdriver. This is not held in with bolts, it just snaps in plastic right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this fan out, and hopefully That'll give us enough space to do what we need to do without the fan assembly in there.
Don't need a sugar coming in.
Hey, over here now, or leave. We got people in here right now. Dominique, what's up with you?
Yeah, AutoZone.